while I'm reading the question, I want you to close your eyes, okay? And then you're going to open them. So while your eyes are closed, Leah, I want you to picture in your head what's happening, okay? So close your eyes. I'm going to read the question. It says, Mrs. Schatzberg has 2 long ribbons and 4 short ribbons. How many ribbons does Mrs. Schatzberg have? I'm going to read it one more time. Keep your eyes closed and really be picturing in your head what I'm doing. So don't say anything out loud, just picture in your head. Mrs. Schatzberg has 2 long ribbons and 4 short ribbons. Leah, turn around. How many ribbons does Mrs. Schatzberg have? Okay, put your hands down, open your eyes, turn your voices off. Nomari, guess what I'm going to let you do?
Nicole Cambridge, could you call the office?
I'm going to let you turn into somebody nice to you. What you saw in your head. Now be careful, Nomari, because I don't want you to tell them what you think the answer is. I want you to turn and tell them what you were picturing in your head when I read that to you. So, go ahead, talk to somebody near you. What is it that you pictured when I was reading that in your head? What'd you see? What were you seeing? So how many did I have to start? Or how many? I had 2 long ribbons, and I had 4 short ribbons. And what happened? What do we find? How many ribbons we have? So we had 2 long and 4 short. We were how many we had. How many did I have?
2 and 4.
Okay. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Eyes back up here. So I'm going to read it one more time, and I want you to maybe raise your hand and tell me what was it that you were picturing. You ready? Don't close your eyes this time. Let's look up here. Mrs. Schatzberg had 2 long ribbons. By the way, this is a piece of ribbon if you don't know. And you know what you use ribbon for? All kinds of things. I'm using it when I'm wrapping my presents for my family at Christmas time. But it says Mrs. Schatzberg had 2 long ribbons and 4 short ribbons. How many ribbons does Mrs. Schatzberg have? So raise your hand if you want to tell me something that you were thinking about when I read that. Kimberly? What were you picturing in your head? Two long ribbons. 4 short ribbons. Were they in like 2 piles, or did you have them all in one pile in your brain? They were all in one big pile. Did anybody have them in 2 separate piles? You did? Madison, how are they in 2 piles?
I sorted them out, because I want 2 short ones and 4 long ones.
Oh, it says 2 long and 4 short. That's okay. So you were picturing 2 long ones and 4 short. So they were in 2 piles, and Kimberly thought of them all in 1 pile. So Nomari, I think I heard you say you think you already know the answer. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to become a problem solver today, and we're going to think about the plan that we're going to use. And I know Ms. Boardman had you go back and you pick a plan, and then you wait for everybody, okay? All right, so when I point to you're going to get up, and you're going to go to the spot today where you want to make your plan and follow it out. Let's see. This group of kids, go ahead and go. Go to your spot where you want to make your plan. You, and you, and you, and you make it. Whoa, this group looks ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. Find your spot.
Who's up there? Oh, I'm just in there.
Here we go. And the rest of you, go to your place where you want to try to solve the problem. And then freeze.
You don't solve your problem.
Not yet. Don't get started yet, Caleb.
That one was mine. You don't just.
Good night.